So read the question. Amit standing on a horizontal plane finds a bird flying at a distance of 200 meters from him at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. So Amit is standing on a horizontal plane. He finds a bird and it is at a distance of 200 meters and the angle of elevation is given as 30 degrees. Another person, Deepak, is standing on the roof of a 50-meter high building and he sees the same bird at an angle of elevation of 45 degrees. And it is clearly said that Amit and Deepak are on the opposite side of the bird and we have to find the distance of the bird from Deepak. So I am taking A as the position of the bird, B be the position of Amit. Okay, BC I am drawing as a horizontal level. From B, Amit is looking to the bird at an angle of elevation of 30 degree and the distance is given as 200 meter. Which will be the distance from Amit to the bird? This is the position of the bird. This is Amit's position. So, distance of Amit to the bird will be this one, BA, and that is given as 200 meter. Okay, and again angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. Which will be the angle of elevation? This will be the horizontal level. Okay, and BA will be the line of sight. So this is clearly 30 degree. Okay, again what about Deepak? Deepak is standing on the other side. That means if Amit is standing here, Deepak will be standing on the other side. Where is he standing? On the roof of a 50-meter high building. So I am drawing a building here. Let it be D. Let D be the position where Deepak is standing. CD is the 50-meter high building. Okay, from here Deepak is looking to the same bird at an angle of elevation of 45 degree. So this will be the line of sight. Okay, and which will be the horizontal? This will be the horizontal. Okay, and this angle is given as 45 degree. And I am going to draw a perpendicular like this. Why? Because I need a right triangle. That is the reason why I am drawing a perpendicular like this. This means the perpendicular height of the bird from the horizontal level, and I am marking it as E. Okay, now what is the question? We have to find the distance of the bird from Deepak. That means this is the position of Deepak, this is the bird's position. That means we have to find the length of AD. Okay, to find AD, what we will do is we will take this triangle. This triangle means AEB. Okay, so in that triangle AEB, we know the hypotenuse. We can find AE. So this is the opposite side with respect to 30 degrees. So here we are going to take the measurement with the trigonometric ratio sine. Sine 30 is equal to AE divided by AB. Sine 30. What's the value? 1 by 2 is equal to AE is AE itself divided by AB is 200. So AE will be equal to 200 by 2, which gives you the value 100. Okay. Again, if I mark the perpendicular which meets AE as F, can you say the length of EF? EF will be the same as CD, isn't it? CD was a building in which Deepak is standing and the height of the building is given as 50 meters. So CD will be equal to EF. This will be 50 meters. And we got AE, the length of AE, that means the height in which the bird is flying from the ground level, we got as 100 meters. Then can you say what is the length of AF? It will be 100 minus 50, which gives you 50. Total is 100. This much is 50. That means AF is 50. Okay. Now what we have to do is this is again a right triangle. We have to consider triangle AFD. In that triangle AFD, we need AD. Okay. That is the distance between Deepak and the bird. And we have the length AF. So which is the relation connecting 45 degree this and this? According to 45 degree, AF is the opposite side and AD is the hypotenuse. So here also we have to take sine. Sine 45 is equal to opposite side AF divided by adjacent side AD. What is sine 45? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 is equal to what is AF? AF is 50 divided by AD. We don't know the value. So how can we calculate AD? Just cross multiply. So AD is equal to 50 root 2. That is 50 into value of root 2 is 1.414. When multiplied with the 50, we are getting the value 70.7 meters. So AD is the distance between Deepak and the bird. We got as 70.7 meters.